Okay everybody, this is the fourth cake I've made in the rice cooker. This one is carrot cake with ginger molasses and little tangerines on top. And I follow this recipe. Yeah. Carrot cake. 1 cup of flour, quarter cup of, no sugar, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of puppy, 1 egg, half a cup of milk, a tablespoon of vanilla, some sunflower seeds, some ginger, about 3 or 4 tablespoons of molasses, some shredded carrots. I didn't have any raisins, but I added walnuts, no canola oil. So that's the carrot cake. And I think it's going to be good. These last 4 or 5 days. There we go. Substantial. It's a nice piece of cake there. No crazy ingredients. I like it.